7.4 million views, 3 million views, 2 million views, and then hundreds of thousands more again and again. Now here's the crazy part. All of these videos are coming from one YouTube channel, AI Clash Zone, that was created just a few months ago. No massive team, no expensive gear, no on-camera personality, just AI tools and a very smart system. And this isn't a one-time viral hit. This is happening consistently. So the real question is, how? How is a brand new channel pulling numbers like this? And more importantly, how can you do the same thing? In this video, I'm breaking it all down step by step so you can copy the exact process. Watch this video I just created. Let's get started. First, you take the link of any video you want to recreate. Then you copy that link and head over to Google AI Studio. Now this is where things start to feel unfair. You paste that link directly into the AI and then you give it a simple instruction. Analyze this video. That's it. Hit run and let the AI break everything down for you. The structure, the scenes, the flow, all of it. But don't stop there. Next, you give it another prompt asking it to generate scene prompts. This is huge because now you're not just watching the video, you're extracting the exact blueprint behind it. Run it again, and now you've got detailed prompts for every part of the video. Then we go even deeper. Ask it for the first scene prompt specifically. This helps you stay organized and build your video piece by piece instead of getting overwhelmed. Now open up Flow, click on New Project, take that Scene 1 prompt, paste it in, and hit Generate. Boom! Just like that, your first scene image is ready. Now here's the key. Don't rush. Repeat the exact same process for each scene. One by one, you're building a full video without ever picking up a camera. Once all your images are ready, it's time to bring them to life. Go back to the AI and ask it for animation prompts for each image. Then open the image you want to animate, click Animate, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. And just like that, your first video clip is done. Do this again for every scene. And now you don't just have images, you have a full sequence of animated clips. Now for the final step, the part where everything comes together. Open CapCut, drop all your clips into the timeline and start arranging them. Add smooth transitions, layer in some background music, and tweak the timing until everything feels clean, fast, and engaging. Take a moment here. This is where your video goes from good to professional. Once everything looks perfect, hit export, and that's it. You just created a full video using AI step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.